How to create Amazon Prime Video account. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To create your very own Amazon Prime Video, you can go ahead and check out the webpage of Amazon Prime. If not, just install the application of Amazon Prime Video. Either way, you can go ahead and visit and easily create your account. If you are willing to create an account using your app, just tap open your application. Select on the allow option. Now I already have an account, but to create on new, let's just tap on the user icon. I'll tap on switch profile. However, you can switch on to this. Now you will find the option of new. Just tap on the new option. Simply enter the name. Now, if it's a kid's profile, toggle it on, then tap on the save option. Now, just like that, the channel has been created for your very own kid. Isn't it simple? So, Amazon Prime Video actually gets data from your previously made account or the email address that was linked to your App Store or Play Store to create your very own Amazon Prime Video, saving you the hassle of entering your credential. Isn't it such a thoughtful and easy process? Go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.